What do cars do at the disco? They break dance. What's a car's favorite meal? Breakfast. Hey guys, welcome to Oxman Garage, and today on Project Triple Black 98 Mustang Cobra Coyote swap, we are going to be doing brakes and fuel. So before we get started, you guys like my jokes? Did you like them at the beginning? They're a total gas. Alright, enough of that. Alright, so I'm going to show you what we got here. We're doing brakes and fuel. I have brake rotors from Rock Auto. That's their Power Stop drilled and slotted and zinc coated rotors. Got some stainless steel braided lines for the front calipers. We got ceramic pads. We have the Cadillac 4-piston front calipers, and then we have the bracket supporting that from SS Engineering. So if you're interested in putting these 4-piston front calipers on your SN95, 94 to 04, check out SS Engineering for all the hardware that they supply. Alright, so now I'm moving on to the front brakes, and as you can see, I already have the driver's side done. We got the rotor and the caliper on and the stainless steel braided line. I'm going to show you a quick step-by-step on how to put the 4-piston ATS Cadillac calipers on for an SN95. So I'm going to show you that really quick. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is you want to knock out these stock little bushing inserts. You just want to knock these out right here. So basically you want to place this on a block of wood, turn it around, get a 14mm bolt and just thread it in there. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to take a hammer or whatnot and you're just going to knock it out. Alright, so once you got this guy knocked out of the caliper, you just want to put the stock hardware in and just line it up. And if you can see what I have on there, kind of marked them, you want this to be at a 90-degree angle on both sides. So it's kind of like an L here and then a backwards L over here. And you just want to take a straight edge and just make sure that it's nice and lined up. I mean, for demonstration purposes, this isn't going to be truly lined up at a 90-degree angle on both sides, but you get the idea. And you just want to line it up first. So that's what it's going to look like. But before you do that, you just want to make some clearance. So when you press this in, you're going to have to grind down this lip up here with like a Dremel or a carbide tip, because when you pass the bolt through, it's going to rub right on the top there. Alright, so I did a quick fitment test of the wheel, and I have slight rubbing right there. You can see right there. So I'm going to be lightly grinding on the bottom of the caliper just for the clearance issue. I have FR 500 18-inch wheels from American Muscle. So if you have a wheel like that, you might have to grind on the caliper right there. So alright, so went and grinded that area down a little bit, and it is super tight. I'm like, it's not rubbing anymore, but I think I'm gonna take a little bit more material off just to be on the safe side, because when this heats up, aluminum expands. So Just take a little bit more material off there, and then once I grind them down, we'll get them ready for paint. All right, we got the fuel tank in. It's all hooked up, ready to go. I'm just waiting on some rear brake hoses. But pretty much that is it. And we got the caliper all painted. Looks pretty nice. And fuel is all ready to go. So we're all hooked up. And that's it. If you guys liked what you saw in this video, please like and subscribe. Remember to give a thumbs up. And if you didn't like my video, give it a thumbs up anyways, for pity. So if you guys have any questions, please comment below, and I'll try to answer them the best I can. This is Josh with Oxman Garage.